What if I told you there's a voting system where the most preferred candidate can lose just because they showed up too early in the lineup? That's sequential pairwise voting in a nutshell. In sequential pairwise voting, the candidates are arranged in a usually random order called an agenda. Voters rank them, and then it's head-to-head battles all the way down the line. Winner moves on, loser gets knocked out. Let's see this in action. 4 candidates, Mr. Royek, Maddie, Ava, and Brianna. 3 candidates rank them. First matchup, Mr. Royek versus Maddie. 2 people prefer Mr. Royek to Maddie, while only 1 prefers it vice versa. Thus, Mr. Royek wins, and Maddie is out. Next, Mr. Royek versus Ava. This time, Ava wins, so Mr. Royek is gone. Final round, Ava versus Brianna. Brianna comes out on top, so she wins the whole election. But here's the kicker. Sequential pairwise fails the Pareto condition. Look back at the rankings. Brianna was generally low on the ranking lists. Even more glaring, every single voter preferred Maddie over Brianna, yet Brianna still won. That should never happen in a fair voting system. The Pareto condition specifically says that if everyone prefers one candidate to another, then the latter candidate shouldn't be one of the winners. Okay, so sequential pairwise is flawed, just like plurality and board account from my last video. What if we flip the approach and start by eliminating the losers instead of moving winners forward? That's the idea behind the Hare system. In Hare, you repeatedly eliminate the candidate with the fewest first-place votes until one candidate remains. Example, Mr. Royek, Maddie, and Ava with 13 voters. Mr. Royek has 5 first-place votes, Maddie has 4, and Ava also has 4. Maddie and Ava are eliminated, leaving Mr. Royek the winner. Nice and simple. But Hare has its own big flaw. It breaks monotonicity. That means raising a winning candidate on your ballot can actually make them lose. Let's say that this voter bumps Mr. Royek up to be his first-ranked candidate, but everyone else keeps everything the same. This time, only Maddie is eliminated in the first round, having 3 first-place votes to Ava's 4 and Mr. Royek's 6. In the next round, Mr. Royek is eliminated with 6 votes, and Ava wins with 7. The only change was favorable to Mr. Royek, but it helped him lose. This seems like a fatal flaw, but the Hare system has real advantages. Very few votes are completely wasted, and second or third choices still matter if your favorite gets knocked out. That's why it, or a modified version of the system, is actually used in big places like Australia, Ireland, Malta, and Brazil to elect government officials. So we've seen the 4 major voting systems, plurality and Borda from my last video, and sequential pairwise and the Hare method from today, and also the major flaws that come along with every one of them. Come back next time when we dive deeper into manipulability and bogus amendments.